Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another exciting video. I know I have been a little bit slow with my videos recently, but when the fall comes, my work starts and then I become a little overwhelmed until I can kind of put myself together. But there's a lot of super excited video coming. In today's video, I'll be showing you my brand new Italian handbag straight from Italy, as well as an amazing pair of shoes from the company Empress. Alright, so we're gonna start with the shoes. I was contacted by this company quite a few weeks ago. It is an Australian-based company, so yes, the shoes came all the way from Australia, and it's called the Empress. And this is the outer box. The shoes came packaged in this beautiful box. I love the purple. On the bottom of the box there was also a little like a carrying bag, you know, could be used for either carrying the shoes or, you know, the groceries. And they also included like a little purple rose, which I think is just so beautiful. It's like a little, you know, little beautiful touch. But I was the most excited to receive those shoes, obviously. So let me show you the shoes that were in the box. Those are the square toe shoes. And when they first contacted me and I look at the shape and I was like, that's pretty interesting. You know, I never really owned a pair of, those are really like a ballet kind of a flat shoes, because you can see there's very little heel on those shoes. And what's the most impressive about the shoes is kind of a shape, you know, it's kind of unusual. And I'm quite familiar with the ballet shoes. Not that I'm ever done ballet myself, but I do perform many times with the ballet dancers, you know, as a musician. And many times they practice, you know, with this kind of, you know, kind of a square toe with a little, you know, elastic here, keeping their foot, you know, in place. So when I noticed this shape, I was like, I want to try it. And, you know, the ballet shoes this season are so hot, and I've decided to give those a try. It's because I read the reviews and reviews are amazing. So I said, well, let me try. I don't often work with companies. I have companies email me at least few per week. And there is a very few that I will actually answer and, you know, agree to collaborate. So yes, I received that pair of shoe clearly for the review and to tell you guys, you know, what I honestly think about them. From the moment I opened the box, I was super impressed. When you touch these shoes, they are so buttery soft. You know, when I'm touching those shoes, it feels super smooth, and because the leather is so kind of, you know, nice and soft, it's literally hug your feet so beautifully, you know, in this toe box. And what's interesting about the shape, I noticed that as I was wearing, you know, you have a lot of room for your toes, you know, because of obviously the square. I do appreciate a nice pointy shoes, but not all the pointy shoes are comfortable. And I think for many of us who especially have a wider feet, I personally don't. My feet are narrow, but if you do have a wider feet, you know, you probably will very much appreciate a little bit more room in here. And because the leather is, you can see how soft the shoes are. It's so pliable. The shoes will literally mold to your feet. They are super comfortable. Look how soft they are. It's amazing. And you know, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I do love a good chunky shoe. I'm a chunky shoe person. I love platforms. I love, you know, loafers with the thicker, you know, bottoms. So I'm gonna be absolutely honest. I was a little bit on the fence, you know, because I knew these shoes are kind of, you know, have that, you know, thinner bottom. Those are not our chunky shoes, obviously. But I was so impressed once I put them on my feet. And like I said, I wore them quite a few times. I drove in them, I wore them to work, I walk with them because I have to walk through the campus quite a bit, you know, to my teaching studio. So yes, I mean, they are so comfortable. I picked my regular size, which is 39, like a European, and they are fine, but I wouldn't mind if I probably would go to 39.5. It will give me probably a little bit more room, you know, here on my big toe. lengthwise, you know, because obviously there's no pointy, you know, tip. It's more kind of square-ish. So I think maybe sizing half a size would be a little bit better, but nevertheless, I love them. And you know, the interesting fact is that you can wear them with jeans. You know, that's what I most of the time wear, or just like, you know, you can dress it up. Obviously today I am more dressed up, and they go perfectly with my outfit. You can wear it with like long skirts. I don't really wear a lot of skirts. I mainly wear pants, and if I wear a dress, I wear mainly like shorts, you know, short dresses. But if you do like a longer skirts, they will go perfectly with that. If you wear cropped pants, oh my god, this is like my favorite look, the cropped pants or the cropped jeans and this pair of shoes, and trust me, you're gonna love them. I didn't even have to like break them in. That's how comfortable those shoes are. So yeah, I would highly recommend. I do believe I have a discount code, which I will link it down in the description box. This discount code will be available for, I believe, 45 days from the time this video goes live. So if you want to check it out for yourself, I would highly suggest to get a pair of those beautiful ballet shoes. I think they're gorgeous. And you know, I do like the fact that they have the little elastic. And by the way, if you want to tighten it up a little bit, like, you know, if the elastic would be a little bit too loose, you can adjust in here very easily. I left mine the way they were, you know, pre-tight, and it works perfectly for me. But again, because it's, you know, it's a little elastic, so you will have a little bit of room, you know, and will hold your feet basically in place. So yeah, I love it. The shoes are beautifully made, you know, it's all leather inside, leather outside, and the sole is a rubber sole. So, you know, it's super comfortable, very soft. And, you know, if you are someone who always complains, you know, that your shoes are uncomfortable, your feet are aching, and, you know, you're looking for some comfortable pair of flats, I would definitely give them a try. They are worth every single penny. So yeah, I will leave the website down below in the description box, my coupon code. I don't make any commission out of it. This is just purely for you guys. So if you want to try this for yourself, I'll highly recommend. So all the information will be down in the description box. Alright guys, so let's unbox the handbag. Then another Italian handbag. Since I came back from Italy, I have to admit, I have been going a little bit cuckoo and searching the internet back and forth for more like a real Italian made handbags, you know, in Italy without crazy markups and, you know, crazy prices. And I came across the website, which is, I believe, it's a School of Leather. This is from Florence. I purchased this handbag. They don't know nothing about me. I use my own money. They obviously sent me the shopping bag along with the handbag. So let me just show you what I've got, you guys, because I found their website, you know, quite accidentally, I would say. And I just, you know, I search around and I love the handbag. So this is the, let me show you, this is the dust bag. You know, it's like a typical standard dust bag. I love this green color, by the way. And when I came across this bag, I was like, that's it. I just have to have it. I just have to have it. It's something new to me. It's something that I don't have anything like that. So let me show you guys. Ta-da! So this is my brand new Italian handbag, and yes, as you can see, it's white. It's white, and it has a navy kind of navy accent color all around. Almost look like a black, you know, it depends what light you're gonna be you know, outside, how dark or how light it is. It's almost looks sometimes like a black. And obviously the strap is also in the navy, and the entire handbag is white. How beautiful is that? When I noticed that, I was like, that's it. I have to have it. You know, I absolutely love it. It smells incredible. I love the smell of leather. So yes, I was looking for kind of a white or off-white handbag, you know, that I could add to my collection. Sometimes I just need something light. You know, I do have a Chanel beige handbag, which is a single flap, which I love and adore, but you know, I don't always want to wear Chanel. So this would be like my probably next best summer and spring bag. I know we are technically going into fall, but you know, I couldn't resist. So it's a very classic shape. It's obviously like a baguette shape with the gold hardware. Beautiful shiny gold hardware, very plain. There's no pockets inside, there's obviously no feet in here. It's just, you know, that beautiful Saffiano leather. It's very sturdy, it's super structured handbag. As you can see, I'm pressing here the sides, especially the sides. The bottom is super structured. There's a little give, you know, obviously in the middle, but the whole kind of a backbone, the structure of the bag is pretty, you know, stiff. Here's the inside of the bag. Let me just remove the papers. They did include some paperwork with this. There's a picture of artisans working there, and this is the name of the place. This place is actually located near the church where the Michelangelo is buried. So yeah, it's pretty impressive. I read some of that, you know, information. Look how beautiful is that. I mean, that's stunning. And they do have a website, because obviously I order it online. And there's some more information about the leather and the tanning process that they use. So this is the inside of the bag. Is obviously very simple. There's not much happening. It is all leather lined. There's like a smooth, when I'm touching it, it's like a it's kind of like a, you won't be able to tell, it's like a grainy kind of a leather. It's not a Saffiano leather inside. Also, the bottom is not like attached to the, you know, the lining is not attached to the bottom, so you can kind of move this around a little bit. Let me see if I can show you the tag. There's a one zipper pocket in here, so you can probably enough room to put like I would say like a card case, or you can just easily put a full-size wallet in here. So yeah, it's very, you know, it's a very simple design. There's nothing a lot happening in here, so it's very, you know, very plain. It smells so nice, you guys. This particular handbag comes with different color combination. I obviously picked the white and the navy, but there is so many different color variation that you can pick. All of those handbags, I believe, are like 2 tones. I will put the website down below. You can go ahead and check it out. I think it was about 400, I'm gonna say 400 euros, including shipping. There's obviously no tax when they ship to US. Yeah, and the strap also, I want to mention that the strap is adjustable. There's a one more hole that you can, you know, if you need a little bit more room, you can certainly adjust the strap on both sides. So there's going to be about an inch that you can move it high, but it's, you know, it's completely fine the way it is. So I'm just gonna stand up for a moment and show you guys how it looks on me. So obviously, you know, like I said, it's like a baguette kind of a style. It will fit right under your shoulder. Yeah, I think it's so cute. What do you guys think? I could maybe move it a little bit, you know, move those sides. Let me see if I can do this. Just if you want, let's say if I wear a jacket, right, I'll probably need a little bit more room, but I don't think I'll be wearing, you know, using this handbag during the winter. It's, to me, is more like a spring and, you know, kind of a summer handbag. But let me see, I'm gonna just move it down. Okay, so now this handbag sits a little bit lower. Yeah, I think it's really, really nice. I love it. You know, it's such a beautiful bag, but at the same time, you know, there's no logos around. Very kind of simple and very classy handbag. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. I'm going to try to use it, you know, before the real fall comes. You know, it's still kind of warm outside, so I think I can still kind of get away and maybe use it a couple of times before the winter comes. It is a very simple bag, like in you know, like I said, but it's incredibly beautifully made, and you know, sometimes simple things are really, really beautiful. If I were a designer though, I just want to add one thing. If I were a designer, I would actually put a little small, like a logo, you know, of the, like a wording, you know, of the logo of the company, like in here, just in like a subtle kind of, you know, gold hardware. I thought it would be very, very beautiful, you know, nothing big, nothing crazy, but I think, or maybe even like a print, you know, just something to give a little bit, that's what I would do, you know, in my opinion. It would be nice to have something in here, but it's the way it is, you know, it is perfectly fine. You obviously can see inside what kind of handbag is it, but yeah, let me definitely know what you guys think about this handbag. So yeah, that's my new baby. All right guys, so this is it for today. That's all I have to show you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out these beautiful shoes. I really truly love them, and I'm gonna wear them all the time. All the info again will be in the description box. Also, if you're interested in, you know, either this handbag or any other handbags that School of Leather from Florence, Italy has, I will leave their websites down below. Like I said, this is not, they don't know anything about me making this video. I clearly purchased this myself. I am just super excited to have another Italian handbag in my collection, and yes, there will be more exciting videos coming. So obviously, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.